Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to make this type of nanorod using Blender software. Okay, so this type of nanorod. Okay, so first open the Blender software. Okay, go to the geometry nodes. Click here new. So nanorods. Okay, disconnect this one. Shift A and search cube. Okay, then again shift A and search transform geometry. Okay, shift, copy this one, transform geometry, shift D, this. Okay, now connect the mesh to geometry, then this to this and this to this. Okay, and connect this scale to this one. If it's not visible clearly, you can see here. Okay, connect this to this, and geometry to geometry, then this scale to this scale. Okay, then select these and press G to move down or up. Okay, now again press shift D, sorry. Okay, again press shift D. What happened? Sorry, press shift A and search the grid. Okay, search here grid. Okay, put it here, then again shift A, search separate XYZ vector. Okay, then press shift A again and search combine XYZ. You can search from search bar. Okay, now you can see here we did it, separate XYZ, combine XYZ grid, and then copy the transform geometry and put it here. Copy this one, so shift D for copy, press shift D. Okay, put it here. Now we have to do combine this one to this to Z to Z, and here to here. So combine this scale, combine this scale to vector, this Z to Z, and here this mesh to geometry and this vector to this translation. Okay, now connect this one to this, here to here, but it's not connect directly. So what we have to do, shift A, shift A, and search. You can search there join geometry. Okay, join geometry. So now join this one to this and this one to this. Okay, we'll arrange in the last. Now we have to add up pillars. Okay, so what we do, again press shift A and search here, shift A or instant, click instant or instant points. Okay, put it here, instant point. Okay, you can check here. Now what we have to do, this one. Now this instant point, cube transform, and copy this one, this all three. Press Ctrl D, sorry, Shift D, and copy these all three. Okay, connect this geometry to here, this instant, this geometry, this instance. Okay, and connect this scale to, sorry, first we have to connect this one, this XYZ to here, connect it here, here. Okay, now connect this one. Now this, connect this one to here. Okay, you can check here. We do. We connect it to here and these three to here. Okay. Now what we have to do, okay, now adjust these scales to 0. Okay, size we can choose here 1.5, 1.5, and vertices 5. You can take according to your convenience. Okay, scale and 0.3, 0.6. Okay, now we get this nanorod type. morphology. Okay, now we have to color this base and these pillars. Okay, so add either add here and material new. Okay, add color, name this base, and this one is pillar. Pillar, add the color for base. I have taken this greenish color. Okay, for pillar I have taken this blue type color. Okay, now we have to do, okay, press shift A, go to material and click to set material. Okay, I'll put it here. Now copy this, shift D and put it here. Okay, again go to the this modify properties. Now what we have to do, connect this material to this group input. Okay, so first connect this one to this group input, and second connect this one to this group input. Okay, now we have this two material ID, to add this one base, add this one pillar. You can check from here. Now you can arrange the size. So I need this base little bit small, 0.20, okay, 0.15. Okay. You can arrange the distance between two pillars using this. Okay, in X direction and in Y direction. Okay. You can increase the vertices in X direction and in Y direction. Okay, and you can increase the size in X direction and Y direction like this. Okay, you can also change the color of these pillars and base using this material properties. Now I want to change color from here to here. Base pillar this one, base is this one. Okay, you can change the color now. This one, you can change the color of pillar. This one. Okay, you can increase the size of these pillars like in X direction, in Y direction, and in Z direction. We can increase or decrease the size of these pillars, and we can also change the color. You can also rotate these pillars like, sorry, this is not working. Okay, you can rotate in X direction 60 degrees. So you can rotate in X direction, Y direction, or Z direction according to your convenience. Okay. Now Now press Ctrl Alt 0 to frame the camera. Okay, and take the image, render image. Okay. So this is your nanorod type structure. You can arrange the size of rod, thin, thick, according to your. Okay. Okay, thank you.